Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today we've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal centerpiece. So what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain. This is from EFavormart. You'll also need some of these Angels Tears pendants from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree is a fishbowl shaped candle holder or vase. You're also going to need like a footed vase here. And optionally you can use a candle holder plate as well. All from Dollar Tree. From Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and it will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, did this Glam crystal centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. It's very versatile. You could use this as a candle holder centerpiece. You could certainly use it as a floral centerpiece. There's just any number of ways you could use this piece. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this Glam DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.